Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the carrier mediated transport. And we look at the characteristics. So the first one is stereospecificity. So under the stereospecificity, there is, for example, the D-glucose is transported in facilitated diffusion but not the L-isomer. D-glucose is transported in case of the facilitated diffusion but not in the L-isomer. The simple diffusion in contrast will not distinguish between the two. Next is saturation. The saturation of the transport rate increases as the concentration of the solute increases with the concentration of solute, and until the carriers are saturated. Next is competition. Competition is the structurally related solutes. It competes for the transport sites on the carrier molecules. So structurally related solutes, they compete for the transport sites on the carrier molecules. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.